How to download BeReal on Android. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install this application. First of all, open Play Store. Now here on the right bottom, you can see this search icon. Simply tap on the search icon. Now on the top at the search bar, simply search for BeReal. So it will pop up in the top. Simply tap on it again. So make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by seeing the logo and verify it by saying the company's name, Voodoo. Now simply tap on install. So it will take some time. So what is BeReal? BeReal is a type of application basically where you can share photos and videos with your friends. It is also called an anti-Instagram application. Here you won't be able to see much of filters. It is basically showing your real self to the whole world. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.